Hi, good morning everyone. I am Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, and in our next video lecture series is Basic Electronics and Simulations Tools. So why I have taken this Basic Electronics and Simulation Tools means, so nowadays you could see many advanced techniques like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, etc. But everything which is comes from the fundamental concept only. So if you strong in the fundamental, that makes you excel in the advanced techniques. It makes you innovate new concepts. So the fundamental is very essential thing to learn. It's a significant thing we must learn. So that's why electronics and in electronics and communication engineering, the fundamentals of electronics or the basics of electronics is a very important one. So that's why I have taken this concept as a lecture series. So in this lecture series, I am going to cover these things from what is electronics and what is voltage, current and resistance, and what is the difference between these three, and what is AC, DC, and the important components, the main components which we are using in the electronic circuits, and so what is circuit and electrical and electronic differences, and what is diode, what is transistor, and what is printed circuit board, and what is the need of printed circuit board. Then finally I am going to end up with the simulation tools. So first, let us start from the what is electronics. So the electronics is nothing but of it is the it's a branch of physics. It's a branch comes under the physics. It deals with electricity. So electricity is nothing but a flow of electrons. So what is electrons? See, to understand the concept of electrons, you must know what is atom. So atom is nothing but of in any material. If you take any kind of a material, there is a several atoms will be there. In each atom, there is a two major things. One is a electron and another one is a nucleus. So the nucleus, which consists of again two things, that is a protons and neutrons. So protons is a positively charged one, and electrons is nothing but of a negatively charged thing, and neutron is a neutral one. So there won't be any charges. So in atom, these kind of things are there, and the electron which will be rotating uh, around the atom, that rotating path is called as an orbit. So the electron movement from one atom to another atom, which creates the electricity, that is called electricity is nothing but of a current. That is a flow of electron which is called as a current. That current we literally mean as a electricity. So the electronics is the branch of science that deals with the study of flow and control of electrons, that is called a electronics. So this is the basic thing. So so the everything which is what the electron movement or the control of the electrons, which is called an electronics. So the control of electrons is accomplished by devices, electronic components such that resist, carry, select, steer, switch, store, manipulate and exploit, everything which will be coming under this concept. So this is called an electronics. So in the case of next thing, that's a voltage, current and resistance. So if you take the electronics, these are all the major parameters, right? We must understand this will be, that's voltage, current, resistance and all. This will be in every circuit diagram or every electronic devices. These parameters are which will be highly will be there in the all